This question is come from SMO Junior 2018 round 2 question. Given that this 9-digit number is a multiple of 37, we are asked to find all possible ordered pair of xy. First, we know that 37 times 3 is equals 111. 111 is a multiple of 37. And therefore, 37 divides 999. 37 divides 999. Let this number be j. So we'll see that j is equals to 30x times 1 million plus 070 times 1000 plus y03. Next, 1 million can be written as 999 plus 1. 1000 can be written as 999 plus 1. It's a multiple of 37. Since these two numbers are multiple of 37, and this number is congruent to 30x times 1 plus 070 times 1 plus y03 times 1, mod 37. So in this case, we have number 373. 373 can be written as 333 plus 40. And x and 100 y. 333 again is a multiple of 7, and we have only this number. So there are two ways to obtain the answer. The first method, write this as y for x. So we continue from this. So from just now, you already know that j is congruent to y for x mod 37. And we will try to get the answer from here. We know that 111 is a multiple of 37, right? So you'll see that if y equals 1, what is the value of x, so that the difference of these two numbers is equal to 37. So in this case, obviously, if y equals 1, x has to be equal. So we have obtained one answer, that is x equals to 8 and y equals to 1. If y equals to 2, we consider 2, 2, 2 because it is a multiple of 37. If y equals to 2 and the tens place is 4, then we'll see that no matter what is this number, it is not divisible by 37. So we won't have any number here. Likewise, we also do not have any number here. But when it is 4, 4, 4, then obviously y equals to 4 and x equals to 4 will be the answer. So this is another answer. Then we proceed to 5, 5, 5.
And we also do not have any answer. 6, 6, 6. We again do not have any answer.
And we have one more answer from here. 7, 7, 7. And 7, 4, 0. So x equals to 0 and y equals to 4. And we can check that there's no more answer after this. And therefore, xy equals to 81, 44, 07 will be all the possible ordered pairs. So this end of the first method. The second method looks similar. Let's discuss it now. So we write this as 100y plus 40 plus x. Since 111 is a multiple of 37, so 100 is actually congruent to negative 11 y. 40 will be congruent to 3 mod 37, and x is congruent to x. If we wish j to be a multiple of 37, then this has to be equal to 0. X is congruent to 11y minus 3 mod 37. Then we'll consider now case by case what happens when y equals to 1? If y equals to 1, obviously x equals to 8. When y equals to 2, x will be more than 10. When y equals to 3, again x is more than 10. When y equals to 4, it is 44 minus 3. And it is equal to 41, which is congruent to 4 mod 37. So when y equals to 4, x equals to 4. And we will see that when y equals to 5, then x is congruent to 15, that is more than 10. When y equals to 6, x will be 15 plus 11, that's more than 10 again. But when y equals to 7, then x is congruent to 0 mod 37. And again, when y equals to 8 or 9, x is more than 10. Obviously from here, when y equals to 0, x equals to a negative 3, that is congruent to 34. So there's no answer for y equals to 0 as well. So these are all possible order pair for xy. And this answer is similar to what we have from the method 1. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.